Wrap things up without honoring the best of the best marketing. What do you think of that game?
Man, that game had everything. Red check, technical fouls, double fouls, unsportsmanlike fouls, you know, lots of color in that game. But in the end, I like how they showed sportsmanship still at the very end, despite everything. And of course, Rising Eagles came out on top.
Lumaban naman, Team Pilipinas hanggang dulo. Team Philippines fighting that, inching their way, holding on. But the Koreans proved too much. And now we go to the awarding ceremony to help us recognize and give top honors. Let's call up on stage the founder of Bench, Mr. Ben Chan.
Alright, we're beginning the award.
Nakita ka niya, no?
Sino ba sa tingin ninyo ang dapat maging parte ng Mythical 5? Can we hear it for your bias? Come on! Who's your favorite player? Medyo napagod na yung okay. Sige, puntahan na po natin sila. We got the two teams out here. Let's begin with the Mythical 5 from the Korea Rising Eagles. The first name to go up on that stage, we saw him battle it out until the very end. Let's call him number 10, Moon Soren!
Nauna ba yung kwet yan? Nauna yung kwet mo?
Moon Soren is the first member of the Mythical 5. Next to occupy a spot is number 15, Jung Jun-Woo. 11 points, 5 rebounds. For Jung Jun-Woo today.
Now let's go to the third member of the Mythical 5, still from the Korea Rising Eagles. Let's welcome number 7, Oh Sean-Hwan!
Yan yung maliit na maraming ano.
3 points yung
Magaling mas.
4 rebounds, 8 assists.
Wow!
For Oh Sean-Hwan.
He was steady as a point guard all throughout the game from the first to the fourth.
Exactly. Two more names in our Mythical 5. And the next one comes from Team Philippines. Number 69, Johannes Resler. Johannes led a team with 16 points and pulled out 9 points.
16 great points, leading the way to our pre-showtime.
May ano siya dito.
Nababanay ng supranational.
Final member of the Mythical 5. He is also a top scorer for Team Philippines. Let's call on number 12, David Lee.
Go, David! Yes. Parang kuyan. Kuyan sa...
First ever shoot of a Asia, brought to you by Bench. Palakpakan natin sila. Our moving on 5.
Ay, grabe naman ang tangkad ng mga yan, oh.
6'3 yun. Ay, 6. Oo, mga ganon. 6'3. Baka 6'4 yun. Matangkad pa.
Now we award the trophies for our teams. And we begin with our runner-up finishers for the Shoot of Asia. Our runner-up finishers. Let's welcome Team Kuwait Showtime.
Representing Team of Philippines, palakpakan po natin our home team. Maraming salamat for fighting until the very end, keeping it close, doing your best, putting it all out on the floor. Despite a short time practicing together, mabuhay sa inyong lahat. Sa susunod, ulitin natin to. Mas marami pang practice. Yes? Once again,